Today on Ride Review, we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 Volvo VNL 860, a powerhouse in the world of long-haul trucks. Right from the start, let's talk about a feature that's making waves, the Volvo Active Driver Assist. This advanced safety system uses radar and camera technology to detect potential collisions, providing gentle braking when it senses the need to keep you and everyone else on the road safer. The VNL 860 stands out not just for safety, but for performance. It's equipped with Volvo's D13TC engine, which combines turbo-compound technology with efficient fuel consumption, achieving up to 7.5% better fuel efficiency than its predecessors. This is huge in the trucking world, where every mile per gallon counts. The D13TC also reduces emissions, so it's eco-friendlier, meeting stringent standards without sacrificing power. This engine, paired with the I-Shift automated manual transmission, ensures smooth shifting and optimal power distribution. The driving experience feels less strenuous, helping drivers stay more focused on the road. Moving on to design, the VNL 860 isn't just built for durability, it's crafted with comfort in mind. Inside, drivers get a 70-inch sleeper cab that's like a home on the road, equipped with premium upholstery, a full-size bed, ample storage, and even an option for a workstation or TV mount. Plus, Volvo has integrated a 4-way air suspension seat, providing comfort over long hauls by reducing the strain on the driver's body. Volvo really thought about driver comfort, recognizing that drivers spend countless hours in their cab. On the outside, the VNL 860 combines aerodynamics with a commanding look. Its sleek front grille and contoured lines reduce drag, cutting fuel costs while looking bold and modern. It's also equipped with LED lighting for greater visibility, which not only improves safety, but enhances the truck's overall presence on the road. And let's talk about technology. Volvo's latest infotainment system comes with a 7-inch touchscreen, Bluetooth connectivity, and smartphone integration, making it easy for drivers to stay connected and entertained during long journeys. Plus, there's Volvo Connect, a remote diagnostics feature that alerts fleet managers of maintenance needs before they become serious issues, maximizing uptime and minimizing unexpected stops. Priced competitively for its class, the 2025 Volvo VNL 860 brings together power, efficiency, and comfort in one impressive package. Whether you're a fleet manager or an owner-operator, this truck is designed to meet and exceed modern demands. Stay tuned, because here on Ride Review, we've got more exciting reviews lined up. You won't want to miss what's coming next.